Hello all, my name is Naba and this report will talk about organic chemistry. Introduction. Organic chemistry, the study of compounds of carbon. Over 10 million organic compounds have been identified. About 1,000 new ones are discovered or synthesized and identified each day. Carbon is a small atom. It is formed single, double, and triple bonds. It is intermediate in electronegatively 2.5. It is formed strong bonds with carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and some metals. Classification of carbon. Primary one, a carbon bonded to one other carbon. Secondary two, a carbon bonded to other carbon. Tertiary three, a carbon bonded to three other carbon. Quaternary, a carbon bonded for other carbon. This shows the chemical composition about classification of carbon. Hydrocarbon, a compound composed only of carbon and hydrogen. Saturated hydrocarbon, a hydrocarbon containing only single bond. Alkane, a saturated hydrocarbon whose carbons are arranged in open chain. Aliphatic hydrocarbon, another name for alkane. Unsaturated hydrocarbon containing one or more carbon-carbon, double or triple bond. Alkene, unsaturated hydrocarbon who contain a carbon-carbon double bond. Alkyne, unsaturated hydrocarbon who contain a carbon-carbon triple bond. Arene, benzene, and its derivatives. This shows the chemical composition to benzene. The hydrocarbon is divided to saturated and unsaturated. The saturated is divided into alkane, and unsaturated is divided into alkyne, alkene, arenes. The alkane only carbon-carbon single bond, and alkene one or more carbon-carbon double bond, alkyne one or more double carbon-carbon triple bond, arene one or benzene-like ring. The chemical composition, for example, ethane, ethene, ethine, benzene. The functional group. The functional group, an atom or group of atoms within a molecules that show a characterized set of physical and chemical properties. The functional group are important for three reasons. They are the unit by which we divided organic compound into classes, the set of characterized chemical reaction, the base for naming organic compound. Alcohol, a compound that contains OH hydroxyl group bonded to tetrahedral carbon atom. This shows chemical composition on alcohol ethanol. Carbonyl group, C double bond O of aldehydes and ketone. The chemical composition is shown on aldehydes and ketones. Carboxyl group of carboxylic acid. This shows a chemical composition for acetic acid. This table shows example of functional group. I will take one example, alcohol. The general saturate OHR, active group is OH, suffix ol. The general formula CnH2n plus 2O. Example, CH3CH2OH ethanol. Alkane. Alkane have a general formula CnH2n plus 2. Name of unbranched alkane will 1 to 20 carbon atom. Suffix and specific on alkane. Prefix tell the number of carbon atom. For example, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane. Alkene. Alkene have the general formula CnH2n, containing one or more carbon-carbon double bond. Functional group of alkene is carbon-carbon double bond. IUPAC nomenclature use the infix N to show the presence of carbon-carbon double bond. Number the present chain to give the 1st carbon of double bond the lower number. Follow rule for numbering and naming substance. For example, 1-hexene, 4-methyl, 1-hexene, 2-ethyl, 3-methyl, 1-butene. Alkyne. Alkyne have the general formula CnH2n-2, containing one or more carbon-carbon triple bond. And the functional group of alkyne is carbon-carbon triple bond. IUPAC nomenclature use the infix "yen" to show the presence of carbon-carbon triple bond. Number the parent chain to give the one set carbon of the triple bond the lower number. Follow the IUPAC rule for numbering and naming substituents. For example, 3-methyl, 1-butene, and 6,6-dimethyl, 3-heptene. The IUPAC general system. Prefix, infix, suffix. The prefix tells the number of carbon atom in the parent. Infix tells the nature of carbon-carbon bond. Suffix tells the class of compound. Infix and a single bond in one or more double bond in one or more triple bond. Suffix E, class of compound, hydrocarbon, all alcohol, aldehyde, on, ketone, oxalic acid, carboxylic acid. This example for IUPAC rule. For example, pro and in and e, propene, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Thanks for listening.